Facebook Meta employee spends $460K to live on a cruise ship. MV narrative. This one struck me because everybody's talking about not being tethered to their office. Everybody wants to be offsite remote work. Well, this is a different level of remote. Here, Will, we have a cruise ship that is, it works like a regular cruise ship, but it really, truly is targeted at people that want to live on it, like condo style.
Okay.
You get one of these units, in this case, $460K, and it just goes around from city to city. You see the world, you get your work done, and that's where you live. Yeah. You live on the ship. Will, what's that reaction? You hate it?
Someone tipped us.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare tip! No, but we don't see. Well, we didn't put the thing on there.
Yeah, we didn't enforce it.
It's different. We're not the mob. We're not holding your thumbs. All right. We're not knocking on your door with a baton.
Mm-hmm. And we appreciate
or a golf club.
Yeah.
Or a baseball bat.
Yeah. I thought it was just a fun.
I think the essence of tipping is not asking for it. Mm-hmm. That's the essence of tipping. Mm-hmm. And as soon as it is,
I agree.
As soon as it's been asked for, man, the magic is gone. It's like a lot of things in life. It's the nuance of human interaction and so forth. And I know there's people out there that say, well, we don't ask, you don't ever get anything. And it's like, I understand that too. So there's a balancing act to be done with it.
And the UI for like the no thanks is like super tiny. So my finger can't even get to it.
It's UI games going on. You know? The AI generated that stuff. 28-year-old Austin Wells, employee of Meta's augmented and virtual reality division, has cut the cord on office work, relocating from San Diego to a luxury condo on the MV narrative. I don't have to upend my daily routine in order to go see the world, he told CNBC. Due to set sail in 2025, passengers will not be transient guests on week-long itineraries. Instead, the floating apartments will be home to guests from anywhere between 3 months to 24 years. I said years, Will. Now scroll down and take a look at that. Well, come on, dude. Not so bad, is it?
Yeah, that's great.
So you're over here in a suite like that. I mean, that's probably a higher-end one, I'm not going to lie. But you're in a suite like that, and all of a sudden, you're in Europe, and you're going between... I don't know where you're going between. Maybe it's...
Costa Rica?
No, I said Europe.
Oh.
What is... I need to be at a port, though. Am I in the Netherlands? Can I go to Brussels? Like, I need to be in a port. I need water.
Yeah.
But I'm looking for, like, you know, they do those river cruise. Well, Italy we can do.
Yeah.
We can do. We can go to the Adriatic.
Yeah.
You understand? I just wanted a detail for people over there. Now, here's the hard part, okay? So it looks all pretty and beautiful, and you're on a cruise ship for life. The hard part, time zones. You still got to work for Facebook, or Meta, in this case.
Meetings?
You're trying to enjoy yourself over there, and you're on a scramble. You're changing time zones all the time and making your adjustments. So that's a bit weird. So hopefully this ship has all the services for different hours. If you happen to be up for the night and sleeping during the day... In certain circumstances, hopefully they got the food and the buffet or whatever they need. Could you do it, Will? That's the main thing. Could you do it?
This is not bad.
How long?
You get food, unlimited food, right?
How long do you think you could do it for, though? No, I feel like if it's a condo, you're gonna have to still pay for your food. But yeah, they can have nice chefs and stuff over there.
Maybe 6 months to a year.
6 months.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, because you feel like you just want to have some solid ground at some point.
Yeah, I think so. This will be an adventure.
You just want to hop in your Bronco and have an adventure at some point, don't you?
Yeah, let me do some off-roading.
Exactly.
Can I do that?
There's no off-roading over there on the boat, but anyway, it does look pretty good. So.
Yeah.